Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. So today we're gonna do a quick tour of the garden right now. We're in mid-fall right now. It's about 40 something degrees right now. It's kind of chilly. That's why I brought my iHood jacket out here. This thing, by the way, real quick, this thing is legit. It's pretty cool. It's waterproof. It's all heated, and these buttons right here, you got three buttons on the top to control if you want to heat in the middle section or the back section or the top, and then you got one button for the light. So this part here light up. And this jacket here is good if you're going to do outdoor garden, or like me, I'm going to go to my son's soccer game later in this evening, which is an open field with a lot of cold air, and you freeze. Instead of wearing a hoodie and a bubble jacket and all this long sleeve shirt, you just wear a regular shirt and you just put this one simple jacket on, and it heats you up and you stay warm. So this is great for fishing, hunting, outdoor sports, hiking, whatever you think about. It's really cool. And what I love about it, you have all the zippers inside, and then you have inside zipper, and it's comfortable. And you have the hoodie on right here, and everything could retract and bring closer and fit you really perfect and nice and tips. Check this out. Check in the description box for more details on this, and get yourself a really high quality jacket. Now we have a bunch of carrots, lettuce, more carrots, and some pak choi. Now carrots will survive in some really cold temperatures. So is lettuce. They could handle a little colder temperature. But I had butternut squash, if you guys remember, running up. I removed all of them. The weather took care of all that. We have some pak choi. I'm going to come and harvest all of them, and this way we could get more harvest. I did plant some other small one, keeping my finger crossed. Hopefully they could survive the weather. The garden is in a hot mess right now. Greenhouse is closed. I'm pruning, getting some stuff done. Bunnies have been eating, helping themselves. Caterpillars too. The wind just turned that was a bottle gourd. Broccoli has been eaten out. I've been trying to fight the caterpillars. You can see a lot of holes, but this one looked like it's gonna survive. They took out a lot of my plants. My long green beans is still growing. I'm not sure. You could see I've got fence. I got wheating. I'm just cleaning all over as I'm going right now. This is our U-shaped bed. Stuff is still growing nice because I have stuff like mustard green, lettuce, romaine lettuce, radish, beetroot, onions. Corn is still growing, so corn could handle some really cold weather, so they are looking amazing. And you can see everything is, it's the kale, carrot, same thing I have here. This bed is looking really good. I did harvest a bunch of stuff, but as I'm harvesting, they keep growing back, so I'm ready for another harvest. Lettuce and pak choys and stuff, they could handle a cold weather. If you have plants like tomato and peppers, I'll show you stuff, we're gonna have to prune them and top them off. I'm gonna come back after put the kids on the bus, and I'm gonna come back and make a video. I gotta top. You see all that flower right there, these white flowers? We gotta pinch out all these white flowers, literally removing, topping every single thing out what we can. That tomato plant, I might transplant that into my greenhouse, see if it'll make it. You could see my onions right here. I did transplant them, move them a little bit, but they look like they're doing good. And we got a lot of peppers, and you could see the peppers are getting ready to change color, but because of the colder weather and we have too much of growing point, it's taking away the energy from ripening our peppers. So coming up in the next video, we're gonna prune and top and show you guys how to get that ready before the frost comes in. I got a bunch of little containers which I will be transplanting, removing some plants and stuff. I will be putting them in the greenhouse. I didn't go in for 2 days. Yeah, I've been busy, literally too busy. But you could see I did had some tomato plants and stuff in there, but pepper plants. I got some purple peppers ready to harvest. Check this out. See that? Beautiful purple peppers. And I did, my pepper plants hasn't been the best this year. I gotta tell you, I did harvest a bunch of cayenne, but not much this year. This year I took a beating. Oh, cucumber plants is coming up here. Oh, I gotta guide them. They grew really fast. Look at that. So I'm hopefully, it's kind of chilly. I don't know if they will survive or not. I'm gonna keep my finger crossed right now. I do have some bell peppers and stuff. Look at that. Changing little colors. A lot of work and cleaning up in progress right now. And this is a quick, look and tour of the garden right now. So if you're coming down with colder temperature right now, start pruning your plant. Start harvest on time. Get the most of the plant's production right now. The watering, if you're in the 40s to 60 degrees, you only water every 3 or 4 days. If you have a couple more weeks of good weather, try to enjoy it, come out much as possible, and as I said, harvest and take care of your garden. If you have pepper plants, tomato plants, and all that, top all of them off, cut off all the growing point, cut off any new growing point to take whatever's taking away energy from the plants. Next video coming up, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to my pepper plants. I'm going to prune to the max, and I'm going to top it off to the max, and this way we could get our peppers ripe if it's possible, because I'm watching the weekend weather right now. Long Island, New York, we're all about growing a better home garden together. Don't forget to check in the description box for this awesome jacket and subscribe for more upcoming videos on green tea garden.